everyone wants to know how to make 10K a month. The only issue is there's a lot of BS out there. And there's a lot of people that make it seem way easier than it actually is.
Most people try to sell ebooks to make money, but the creators who quietly earn $10,000 a month, they give them away. Let me explain why.
Alright, so as you guys probably already know, it is now possible to write entire full-length books in less than a couple of minutes using AI.
You've probably tried posting faceless videos. Maybe you even wrote an ebook, but nothing took off. It felt like you were shouting into the void, creating content that nobody saw and wondering where you went wrong. I've seen this happen to many creators. Small change, big result. Let me be clear, it's not your fault. You're missing the system that connects everything. Free templates and prompts in the description. The secret isn't a better video or a better ebook, it's the bridge that links them together into a single automated machine. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to combine free AI tools, simple ebooks, and a faceless YouTube channel into one automated income system, one that grows and earns for you even when you sleep. But first, a dose of reality. This isn't a get-rich-quick trick or some loophole that will be gone tomorrow. This is a framework that actually builds real, durable assets. Your email list, which you own, your audience, which trusts you, and your digital products, which serve them. By the end of this video, you will see exactly how to turn your knowledge, or even just your curiosity, into a faceless brand that earns on autopilot. You'll have the complete blueprint, even if you've never created a single piece of content before in your life. Let's get straight to the framework. The entire $10,000 a month system is built on 3 simple layers that work in perfect harmony. Think of it like a well-oiled engine where each part has a specific job. Layer 1 is your ebook, but you need to stop thinking of it as a product to sell. Instead, your ebook is a lead magnet. Its only job is to attract the right people. You give it away for free in exchange for an email address. This simple act filters out the casual browsers from the genuinely interested individuals who actually care about your topic. This is the foundation of your entire business. Layer 2 is your faceless YouTube channel. This is your traffic engine. Its purpose is not to get millions of random subscribers, but to consistently drive highly targeted viewers to your free ebook. Every video you create acts as a magnet, pulling people who have a specific problem towards your free solution. Instead of begging for subscribers, you're offering undeniable value, and in return, people willingly join your ecosystem. This is where you turn viewers into potential customers. Layer 3 is your email system. This is your profit machine. Once someone downloads your free ebook, they enter your email list. This is where the real relationship begins and where the income is generated. Your email list is the only platform you truly own, safe from algorithm changes. Through automated email sequences, you build trust, provide more value, and then, and only then, do you present offers, whether they are affiliate products or your own. Here's what that looks like in a simple flow. A person watches your faceless YouTube video, which solves a small part of their problem. In the description, they see a link to your free ebook that promises to solve the bigger problem. They click it, land on a simple opt-in page, and enter their email. They are then sent to a thank you page, which might have a short video of you welcoming them, and finally, they start receiving your automated email sequence, which contains helpful tips, stories, and eventually affiliate links or your own paid offers. Most creators only focus on one of these layers, either YouTube or ebooks alone. The extra mile is connecting them. That's what creates real income stability and separates the hobbyists from the earners. Now, let's build your system step by step. I'm going to make this practical and remove all the overwhelm. Just follow these 4 steps. Step 1 is to choose a profitable niche. This is the most important decision you'll make. Don't just pick something you like. Pick a topic where people are actively looking for a transformation. They want to go from point A to point B. Think about niches like personal finance, where people want to go from broke to financially free, or productivity, where they want to go from overwhelmed to organized. Other proven niches include self-improvement, learning about new AI tools, and relationship advice. The key is to focus on topics where people are willing to invest time and money to solve a painful problem or achieve a desirable outcome. Don't choose entertainment, choose transformation. Grab the prompt pack and formatting templates, link in description. Step 2 is to create your ebook using free AI tools. This used to take weeks, now it takes a few hours. First, use ChatGPT to write the book. Give it a simple prompt like, write a 5,000-word ebook outline on the topic of the beginner's guide to investing in your 20s, with 5 main chapters. Then for each chapter, prompt it to write the content. Next, use a free tool like Canva or Designer to format the text into a professional-looking PDF. Finally, for the cover, use a free AI image generator like Leonardo AI or Pixverse. Just type in a prompt like minimalist ebook cover, the wealth blueprint, blue and gold, and you'll have a stunning cover in seconds. Your entire lead magnet is now ready. Step 3 is to set up your funnel. This sounds technical, but it's incredibly simple with today's tools. Use a free platform like Systemi.io or the free plan on ConvertKit to create your opt-in page. It's a single web page with a headline, a picture of your ebook, and a box for someone to enter their email. That's it. After they opt in, create what's called a bridge page. This is just a thank you page where you can embed a short, faceless video made with a tool like HeyGen or Pika Labs. In this video, you just say, "Thank you for grabbing the ebook. It's on its way to your inbox. In the meantime, check out this special resource I recommend." This simple page builds immediate trust. Step 4 is to launch your Faceless YouTube channel, your 24/7 traffic source. The process is simple. Use ChatGPT for your video scripts. Feed it a topic and ask for a 5-minute YouTube script. Then use a free or low-cost AI voiceover tool like 11 Labs to generate a realistic voice. Gather free stock footage from sites like Pexels or Pixabay and edit in a free editor like CapCut. Post 2 to 3 videos a week related to your eBooks topic, and in every description, include the link to your free ebook opt-in page. Each video becomes an automated salesperson for your system. Now let's look at how your ebook and videos work together. Your ebook is a lead magnet, not your main income source. Stop trying to sell a $5 or $10 ebook up front. The email address is worth far more. By giving it away, you're building your most valuable asset, your email list. Repurpose your ebook content for videos. Each chapter can become a full-length video, and each key point a YouTube short. Your ebook becomes your content calendar, keeping your topics aligned. Viewers watch a video on a topic, then get a free ebook that dives deeper. It's a natural offer. Next is affiliate integration. Add affiliate links to products or tools you recommend. If your ebook is about productivity, link to a project management tool. Do the same in follow-up emails. This way, you start earning before creating your own product. Now the automation. Once your funnel is built, your only job is to keep making videos. The videos bring in leads 24/7. Your opt-in page captures them, your ebook is delivered automatically, and your email sequence nurtures and sells automatically. You're building a system that works for you, not a job. Want hands-on help and live funnel tests? Join my school community. Link in description. To reach $10,000 a month, stack 4 monetization strategies. We've repeatedly seen affiliate promos outperform ads early on. Number 1, affiliate marketing. The fastest income path. Promote quality products from ClickBank, Digistore24, or niche software. A single good promo to a small engaged list can make thousands. Number 2, sell low-ticket ebooks. Once you've built trust, sell premium ebooks or bundles. Even a $27 product sold to a small part of your list adds steady income. Number 3, build email sequences for high-ticket offers. Use your list to promote courses, coaching, or done-for-you services. With trust built, some will invest more. Number 4, YouTube monetization. As your channel grows, qualify for the partner program. Ad revenue becomes an extra income stream. Stacking these 4 creates a resilient business. Before you start, avoid these mistakes. First, don't perfect everything. Your first ebook or video won't be perfect. Speed beats perfection. Second, avoid complex funnels. You only need one opt-in page and consistent videos. Third, don't ignore your email list. Subscribers are great, but your list is your real asset. Nurture it weekly. Finally, don't rely only on AI. Use AI for speed, but add your own stories and insights. People connect with people, not robots. To recap, you now know how to use free AI tools to create ebooks, build a faceless YouTube channel for free traffic, and connect everything with an automated email system to reach $10,000 a month. You have the full framework. Check the description for free templates and examples. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more strategies and comment ebook system below if you're serious about building yours. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about building real digital assets that work for you long after you stop working. And stay tuned, because next I'll show you how to automate your entire ebook funnel using just 2 free AI tools you already have.